The next evolution in FPV drones is almost here, and it's about to change how creators capture the skies forever. The DJI Avata 360 just cleared a massive milestone by appearing in the FCC database, meaning it's officially one step closer to hitting the US market. Welcome back, viewers. Jamis here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. This FCC approval is huge. It's not just bureaucracy, it guarantees that the Avata 360 meets strict safety and wireless standards for the US and Canada. Every detail, from battery specifications to moving part warnings, is officially certified. And considering the recent political scrutiny over drone sales, DJI getting this approval shows they're determined to push forward no matter the hurdles. Now, what can we actually expect from this beast? Early leaks suggest the Avata 360 will sport dual 1.1-inch image sensors capable of capturing full 360 degrees footage at a jaw-dropping 38 megapixels. Video could hit 8K at 50 fps for immersive panoramic shots or 4K at 120 fps for classic FPV action. Add professional-grade 10-bit DLOGM color grading, rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, horizon balancing, and advanced LIDAR-assisted obstacle sensing, and you've got a drone that's ready for nearly anything. Battery life also gets a boost. The FCC filings reveal a 38.67 watt pack, about 22% more energy than its predecessor. That's roughly 25 minutes of flight time per charge, with OcuSync 4.0 ensuring zero-lag transmission. Even with all this tech, the drone is expected to weigh under 250 UD, making it nimble and portable while staying FAA-friendly. And the rumored Fly More combo price, around $999. Perhaps the coolest part, the Avata 360 isn't just a 360 degrees camera drone. A single button lets it switch to a frontal view, transforming it into a normal FPV experience. It's like having two drones in one: panoramic filmmaking and full FPV flexibility. DJI is clearly aiming to dominate the FPV space in 2026, and the Avata 360 might just set a new standard for what creators expect from an aerial camera. The countdown to launch is on, and every leaked spec makes this drone feel closer to reality. Whether you're a professional content creator or an FPV hobbyist, this is one drone that will demand attention the moment it hits the shelves. Keep your eyes on the skies. DJI is about to flip the FPV world upside down.